We've been trying to get pregnant for, what, Karen, 6 months?
A year and a half.
You have to think I spent most of my life trying not to get women pregnant.
You know, we just don't understand why this is so hard. I mean, look at us. We're young, we're active, we do couples yoga.
If by couples yoga you mean have sex constantly.
We just thought we were doing everything right. We're obviously in love.
When's the last time we made love?
Maybe I need to do more kegels.
You know, like, love.
This isn't about making love.